Automatic panel tilting system uses your 12-volt power. With the push of a button, you can tilt your solar panel. Ranges from 0 degrees to 55 degrees. Stop anywhere in between for maximum power. Easy DIY installation. Full instructions and wiring diagram. Fits panels from 100 watts to 300 watts, shown with a 200-watt panel. Now you can get the maximum power from your solar panels during the fall, winter, and spring seasons with lower angle sunlight. Stop climbing on your roof to clean or remove the snow from your panels. Keep your batteries at the maximum power available. We can ship to any of the lower 48 states by UPS. Solar panels not included.